Meaning of Gondwanaland.
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 Gondwanaland. Gondwanaland was a supercontinent that existed over 180 million years ago and included present-day South America, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, the Arabian Peninsula, and the Indian subcontinent. It formed during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras and began to break apart around 180 million years ago. The name Gondwanaland comes from Gondwana, a region in central India where rocks containing evidence of the supercontinent were first studied. The study of Gondwanaland has provided important insights into the geological history of the Earth and the processes by which continents shift and reassemble over time.